how to create Ghibli or Ghibli style images from your mobile phone. So hello guys, namaste everyone, welcome to the SR Tech, another new video. So the most trending topic now in the internet nowadays, Ghibli or Ghibli style images. Now you can see in everywhere, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, in all social media's app, in internet nowadays it is very famous. Ghibli or Ghibli style images, people are making their Ghibli style images, so you can see everywhere. So how can you also follow this trend? How can you also create your own Ghibli style images from your own Android mobile for free of cost? This I'm going to show you in my today's video. So basically I will use three different tricks, three different ways for free of cost. From these ways you can easily make your own Ghibli or Ghibli style images for free of cost. So how can you create your own Ghibli AI images from your own mobile phone? This I'm going to show you right now. But moving forward, if you are new in this channel, then please like, share and subscribe this channel for latest new videos. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So guys, the number one trick to create your Ghibli style images, the most effective and most popular way, Chatgpt. Yes guys, this is the most effective and best way to create in very easy steps your Ghibli style images in very high quality. So just go to chatgpt.com and after you go here in ChatGPT, now just you have to log in to your account by any your email or Google ID something. So just you need to sign in, or you have to sign up, log in to your account by using your email. So after you log in, without login it is not possible guys. So first you must log in to your account in this ChatGPT. So after you log in or sign in, just you can see here this plus icon, this is upload option. Just click on this plus icon, and then now you can see photo library. So just tap on this photo library and your gallery will be open, and you have to select your image which you want to create Ghibli of that. So I select this image and I click on this done. So after you select your image, now you have to type here, you have to write make a Ghibli image of this. Just you have to write this, make a Ghibli image of this, and that's done. Now after your image load fully, just click on this go button, arrow button. So you have to wait for 5 minutes to fully load this image. Okay, getting started. Now you have to wait just for 5 minutes until it's fully complete its process. So I just skip this, and now guys you can see here the result after 5 minutes. So this is the very easiest and very effective and very more perfect image you can get from this ChatGPT. And if you want to download this image, and then just click on this desktop site, and after you enable desktop site, just you have to long tap on this photo, and then you'll see the option of download image. So just click on this download image, and after you click on download image, then the download processing will be started in your background. Then you can easily view it in your mobile gallery. So now let's move to the second trick guys. So now guys, moving to our next step. So next trick is by using one application. The application name is Grok application. Just open a Play Store and search this application, Grok. And yes, this is the application guys, Grok. So I have already installed this application. So just you need to install this application Grok, and I just open up this application Grok beta. And after you open this after you go in this Grok application, then here also you have to log in to your account by using your Google ID or anything, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So just you have to log in or sign in to your account if you are using first time, then only you can upload your image. So I have already logged in to my Google ID. So just again you have to click on this plus icon, as same as ChatGPT also. Then again click on these photos, and you have to select that photo. So guys, I just select this photo, and you have to write here make a perfect and accurate Ghibli image of this. Make a perfect and accurate Ghibli image of this. Just click on go button, and again you have to wait for 5 or some minutes, wait for a while. So I just skip this process. So guys, now you can see here are two images, this first one and this second one. So I think this second one is better, guys. Okay, not this first one. This app will make you two images, and from them you can select any of them which is better. So not this first one is not better, this second one is a little better than first one. So to download this, just here is an option of save, so just click on this save and download is started. So guys, this is the second trick to make your Ghibli style image by using this Grok application. Now let's move to our last and third trick. So guys, the number last and third trick is by using one website. Just you have to go to your web browser and you have to search this one website, Photo Ghibli. Okay, this website link is in my description also, so you can directly check out Photo Ghibli. Just after you search here, the number first website which you see in this section, just open this first website, photo.com. And in this photo.com, after you open this, now you can see one option, convert photo to Ghibli style now. So just you have to tap on this option, and then after you wait guys, now you can see again upload image button. So just you have to click on this upload image, and again you have to select that photo. Okay, again you have to select guys. Okay, after you select that photo, then the processing will be start. So guys, now you can see here, this is the image which is generated into AI or Ghibli. So in this photo.com, the result may not be such good as Chatgpt or Grok application, but yeah, it may be okay. So to download this, just you have to click on this download button, and here are two options, download preview, download HD. So download HD is for money user, this is paid, but if you want to download it for free, then just click on download preview. And then now you can see in your gallery, this photo has been downloaded. So these are the three different tricks to generate Ghibli style images in your Android mobile for free of cost. I hope you like this video. So this was for today. Like, share and subscribe. So bye bye guys.